So here it is. I know plenty of you wanted to see this. So this is what I've got in the box. I've got the manual, I've got a receiver. Well, I've actually got multiple receivers, but I'll just show you one. And the transmitter. It's pretty basic, as it says on the tin. We've got 3 HDMI inputs, 1 HDMI output, a couple of analog inputs, and the LAN carrier. Came with a couple of HDMI cables and power leads, but I've already plugged them in. So here we go. So quickly put this here. So we plug in the kettle lead, the HDMI input, which I'm using a Blu-ray player, and output for my local TV, just so I know it's all working. And switch that on, I believe. Yeah, that looks like it's powering on. Take this little bad boy, put this on this TV, plug the power in and the HDMI, and I'll turn that on. Right, so while that's powering up, so this thing is setting itself up somehow. No idea what it's doing. Right, here we go. So that's my Blu-ray. Press play on that, so we've got a video. Now, the other screen, what's that saying? Waiting for TX to be ready. Okay, I can deal with that. So, that's the local screen. Nice and easy. Now, obviously I'm not doing massive transmission distances here because I'm only going from there to there, but everything I've tried so far has been very good. The setup time, when you first plug it in like this, takes a few minutes, as you can see, but what I've found is when you've got it set up, switching sources isn't as bad as this, luckily. You've got IR bits as well. I'm not using the IR because I'm in close proximity, but you've got IR bits and bobs. So this is the control. I don't know if you can see that well enough. But that. Now we just need to wait for this one to kick in. Waiting for TX to be ready. I think the TX is ready. Come on. So I don't want to edit any of this video, so sorry about the boring wait, but there you go. Now, resolution said it was running in 1080. I don't know if you got that in the video, pointing in the wrong direction. And this one, in fact, if I take this control, I should be able to do the resolution. Right, so this is the on-screen menu. We've got a couple of things that are interesting. Network bandwidth. Now, the good thing I found about this is it doesn't take the resolution down really. I shouldn't have pressed that really because that'll take a while for it to redo now, but that's what you get. It doesn't really change the resolution, but it does seem to change the delay. So do with that what you will. Alright, we're back. As you can see, we're still doing 1080. It's now doing 60 Hz. We can bring up that information here. Yeah. So you can see power line, multiple inputs, multiple receivers. Best system I've seen yet. Anyone else got any info on it? I'd be glad to hear. Cheers.